At least 5 people were killed, including 3 children, and over 100 injured in missile fragments scattered over beachgoers during a Ukrainian strike on Russia-occupied Crimea. The Russian Defense Ministry blamed the United States for the attack, noting that Ukraine carried out the attack using US-supplied ATACMS operational tactical missiles equipped with cluster warheads. The visuals from the scene that have gone viral show the aftermath of the strike, with wounded civilians being carried from the beach on stretchers, while other videos show beachgoers, mostly in their swimsuits, evacuating the area. Russian authorities in Crimea said missile fragments had fallen just after noon near a beach where locals were on holiday, generating furious reactions from Russian public figures. The Russian Defense Ministry stated that the primary responsibility for the international missile attack lies with Washington, which provided these weapons to Ukraine, and also with Ukraine, from whose territory the strike was launched. For the unversed in the strikes, US supplied ATACMS operational tactical missiles equipped with cluster warheads were used, which the US has been supplying to Ukraine since earlier this year. The Defense Ministry also noted that Russia would respond to Sunday's missile attack, but did not elaborate much. Moreover, the Kremlin stated that Russian President Vladimir Putin had been in constant touch with the Russian military ever since the attack took place. Meanwhile, Dmitry Medvedev, deputy chairman of the Security Council, described the incident as a vile and despicable act against the Russian civilians. He likened the missile attack on Sunday's terror attack in Dagestan city, which claimed over 15 lives, saying that there was no difference between the US administration, Ukrainian leaders, and crazy fanatics. However, neither Ukraine nor the United States has commented on the attack. Meanwhile, on the other hand, Ukraine claimed that 1 person had been killed and 10 others were wounded by Russian strikes in the eastern Ukrainian city of Kharkiv.